Hello viewers, in this example, I want to use the Ti-84 calculator to solve questions on binomial distribution. Now let's have a look at the example. It says, a survey finds that 12% of adults have a fear of flying. From this, we can see that our probability, which is the probability of success, is 12%. Okay, which is equivalent to saying 0.12. If a random sample of 30 adults is selected, this shows that we have our sample size n to be 30. Find the following. So the first question is telling us to find the probability that exactly 4 are afraid of flying. This means we have the probability that exactly 4 adults are afraid of flying. And to do this using the Ti-84 calculator, we use the command which is binom. Binom is standing for binomial. PDF, the probability density function. Then you have the n, you have the p, and we have the k. So this is what we are using. So to use mpk, we have binom. In this case, n is 30, p is 0.12, and k, which is 4, which is the corresponding value of x. Now let's do that using the Ti-84. To do that, you press the second button and distribution. After that, you come down here to binom PDF. Click on binom PDF. Here we have what is our trial. The trials is the sample size, which is n, and we have the value of 30. And also we have the p, which is the probability of success, which is 0.12. And we have the x value. Our x value in this case is 4. Paste. So this is binom PDF MPK, and you can click on enter. So the probability is 0.2047 approximately. Secondly, we have find the probability that at most 4 are afraid of flying. In statistics, every time you see the word at most, it's talking about the maximum value. You can see it's the maximum. So the probability of at most means x is less or equals to 4. So it cannot exceed 4. And to do that, it means we need the cumulative from when x is 0 to when x is 4. So here we have the binom CDF. In this case, for at most, we are using the CDF and not the PDF. NPK. So which is the same thing as saying we have binom CDF. N is 30, P is 0.12, and K is 4. So let's do the same using our Ti-84. So press the second button, the distribution. Then here you can come down to binom CDF, which is below binom PDF. Click on enter. So plug in the number of trials, which is 30, the probability, which is 0.12, and also the x value, which is 4. And you can paste. Click on enter. So the probability that at most 4 will be afraid is 0.7118 approximately. You can see that we have higher probability in this case. And lastly, this question says, find the probability that at least 2 are afraid of flying. At least means the minimum you can have is 2. So to do that, we have that the probability of x is greater or equals to 2. It can be 2 or more than 2, which is the same thing as saying 1 minus the probability that our x is less than 2. Yes, which translates to saying 1 minus binom CDF n p k minus 1. Here we have k minus 1 because it is less than 2, not equals to 2. So here we have 1 minus binom CDF, n is 30, p is 0.12, and k minus 1 is 2 minus 1, which is the same thing as 1. Now using the calculator here, we have second distribution, then you can come to binom CDF, plug in. So number of trials is 30, p is 0.12, but here the x value is going to be 1. So here we have 1 minus 0.10997. So by doing this, we have 1. From here we can have 1 minus answer. And finally, we have the probability of at least 2 to be 0.8900. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this very insightful and helpful, kindly subscribe.